Hi, my name is Andy Kolar and welcome to the PAS Classroom. Today we're talking about becoming a percussion Dr. Frankenstein. Instruments break, hardware breaks. It's a reality that is part of our world. The first thing to make sure you understand when something breaks is to really understand what part is actually broken. It might be that just a little Allen screw is missing that makes a snare stand useless otherwise. So you really need to make sure you're careful when assessing what part is broken so you can see what you can buy actual replacement parts for or which ones you need to go to a hardware store to figure out what is the right fit. If you have to get rid of something, especially hardware, you should save absolutely any part that could be usable in the future. You can save those parts in any sort of organizational system that you'd like. You can also add labels to all of these to make them a lot easier to find replacement parts in the future. You can easily just have a tub of miscellaneous hardware that you can use as a resource anytime something does eventually break. The more you save, the easier your job will be in the future. That's today's lesson from the PAS Classroom.